All right, let's make an ad with VO3, okay? Creatify.ai allows us to do this. So what's VO3 is basically a platform that lets us, it's a Google developed platform, I believe, that offers high quality, as it's one of the highest quality models available right now, okay? And more realistic. All these images are made with VO3, okay? Everything. These lifelike people are made with VO. So anyway, we can choose which product to promote. Let's add a product. This is simply for creating an ad, okay? Select a product or service to start making ads, okay? I've chosen a racket, okay? And the name will be racket plants, okay? That's it. We'll click on match recipes, okay? And as you can see, well, that's it, huh? They let us input the product or service via a link so AI can extract all possible data. Got it? When creating the product, they'll ask for a description. Here, they're talking about the product itself, giving us some samples. Obviously, these videos weren't made specifically for us. They're pre-recorded, okay? So we can use them as a starting point, right? And then modify it. In this case, we're talking about a tennis racket. I think this one might be the best option, okay? There's the product. As you can see, I didn't put much effort into the description, all right? Just to give more freedom. You click confirm and there we'd be using VO. Honestly, I'm not sure if they use VO3 generation directly or just take a VO3 video and modify what the AI avatar says. That'd make more sense to me in terms of cutting costs, which also means the background would always be the same, right? So let's check it out. Well, we've got some bad news. They're asking for 20 credits. I only have 8 available, so we can't view it, but I'm sure the result is impressive, you know? Here they show us a few examples of what they've produced based on what people request, and it looks really promising. So that's it. We'll wrap up this video here.